we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this digital printing process. We're going to be looking at how to say more interesting and often mispronounced words in English as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. For reference, this is a word of French origin. In French, it means a squirt. How do you say it? In English, it is normally said as Giclee, Giclee. From French, in France, it is said as Giclee, Giclee. So that's why it is said in English as Giclee. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.